Well, hi everyone. Welcome to preschool. It's Miss Mozingo here. Let's go ahead and get started with our day. Are you ready? Let's take a look at the calendar. I'm so glad you could join me for preschool today. It is the 21st day of May. Let's sing our Days of the Week song to figure out what day it is. Are you ready to sing with me? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 Here we go. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Get ready. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Your turn. Days of the week. 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 Excellent. And let's take a look down here. It's the 21st, so it is Thursday, May 21st, 2020. One more day of preschool, and then we have a 3-day weekend because we have no school on Monday. Let's see, our pattern. Pink flower, blue flower, pink flower, blue flower. What goes right here? Pink flower, you're right. All right, put it right there. Let's take a look at our weather. Now, we said it was cloudy, sun with clouds, try it again. Cloudy, sun with clouds, partly sunny, cloudy. We said that we were going to see if the pattern would continue with a partly sunny day. Now, right now for me, outside, it is not partly sunny. I do not see the sun, but I do see lots of clouds. Maybe it'll become partly sunny later in the day, but right now it is not sunny. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Oh, someone said sunny. Ooh, that sounds good. And at least it's not windy, right? That's a good thing. All right, let's go ahead and keep on trucking. We're going to go and say our alphabet. Is everybody ready to say their alphabet? All right, here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome. All right, here we go. Let's count to 15. Everybody ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm counting backwards from 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Awesome. Looking for some shapes. What shapes can we find? How about, what is this one right here? What shape is that? It is a rectangle. That's right. What color is our rectangle? Black. Yes. What shape is this right here? Rhombus or diamond. What color is a rhombus or diamond? It is brown. Good job, friends. All right, let's look at some colors. How about these elephants? What color are they? They are gray. And how about Sadness? What color is she? She sits down there and cries so sadly. Blue. Our nursery rhyme this week is Little Miss Muffet. You're going to say it with me? Here we go. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. All right, let's watch that video. Are you ready? Okay, here we go.
Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating some curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
All right. So I also wanted to share with you, I got a picture from Carter's mommy, and he went over the weekend to his uncle's farm. Look at him. Who's behind him? Look at the cows. Yeah. Would you like to go to a farm and see cows like that? That looks like fun. Look at, he's in his bare feet. My favorite. That's my favorite thing to be in, my bare feet. All right, here we go. We're talking about our letters. We've worked on the letter L, F, E, H, T, I, U, C, and O. Now, we're on the letter Q. And Q says qu, qu, like in queen. Quiet and quarter. Let's go ahead and stand up, and we're going to sing about where we start our letters. Is everybody ready to sing? Well, I hope so. Here we go. Maybe, if my internet lets me. For my clock. At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Stand up. Then you better. There we go. Here we go. Letters. Top. Do you start your letters at the top? Top. Here we go. No, it's the bottom. The middle. Ah. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Reach out and touch the top. There we go, going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Reach out and touch the bottom. Here we go, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom, shake it. Top, bottom, shake it. Bottom, shake it in the middle. Here we go, eyes. Start your letters at the top. And you better. Here we go, going down. In the middle. This is top. All right. Now we're ready to make the letter Q. What do we need for making the letter Q? We need 2 magic C's. Do you have your magic C's? All right, well, let's go ahead and get started. We have Mr. Matt's smiling face. And we're going to grab our first big curve, or magic C. Now, that's the magic C, but that's not what we're making. We're making a Q. So we have to do what? Yep, take it off just a little bit, because our O is so big. There we go. 2 magic C's makes the letter O. Is that our letter this week? No. It's Q, so we have to put our little slide in. So let's say it together. Is everybody ready? Here we go. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. Put a little slide in it. It's a Q. One more time. Fingers at the top. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. It's the letter Q when you put a slide at the bottom. Good job, friends. Nice job making the letter Q today. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.